Welcome to MathZip. This video I am going to solve simultaneous equation by using the method of substitution. Today I am trying to solve two math, number 8 and number 9. So no need to wait, let's start. Number 8. Given equation. Ax minus by equals to ab, which is equation 1. Bx minus ay equals to ab, this is equation 2, right? Now from 1 we have ax minus by equals to ab. So this one we can write ax equals to ab plus by, right? Then x equals to ab plus by divide a. We can make this one equation 3. Okay, so now putting x equals to ab plus by divide a in equation 2, so we can write this one in here. Putting x equals to ab plus by divide a in equation 2. So equation 2 here is bx minus ay equals to ab. Now here is b, x means ab plus by divide a, right? And here minus ay equals to ab. Then we can make a LCM. LCM is a. So here is ab square plus b square y minus a square y equals to ab, right? Then cross multiplication, and here a b square plus b square y minus a square y equals to a square b. Okay, now here we have to find out the value of y. So here we can write minus a square y plus b square y equals to, here is a square b, and this ab square transfer to right side, it means minus ab square. Okay, now here we can write, we can take common minus y. So here is a square minus b square equals to, here we can take common ab. Here is also a minus b. Okay, then minus y, a square minus b square, we can write a square, we can write what, a plus b times a minus b, right, equals to ab a minus b. Now both sides we can divide by a minus b. So here is minus y a plus b equals to ab. Then y equals to minus ab divided a plus b, this is y. And here you can write a side note, which is divide both sides by a minus b. Okay, so here y equals to minus ab divide a plus b. So in here we will put, so we can write again putting y equals to minus ab divide a plus b in equation 3, where x equals to ab plus by divide a. So one by one we can put. So here a, and here is ab plus b and minus ab divide a plus b, right? Then we can write like, we can make a what? We can make a LCM. LCM is a plus b. So a plus b. So here is ab times a plus b, right? Then minus, this minus and plus become minus what? A b square. Here is ab and here is b. Once we multiply, it will become ab square divide a. Then ab times a plus b, it means a square b plus ab square minus ab square divided a plus b times 1 by a. Okay, then we can write in here. Okay, so here is a b square and plus a plus a b square minus a b square out. So here is a square b divide a plus b times 1 by a. So here is a square and here is a, it will become a. So our answer, it means x equals to ab divided a plus b. So x y, so x a plus b, ab divide a plus b, and y minus ab divide a plus b. Okay, so it's not so hard. Number 7 and number 8 almost similar. So number 8 done. Now we will start number 9. Number 9, given equation ax minus by equals to a minus b, this is equation 1. Ax plus by equals to a plus b, this is equation 2. So from equation 1, from equation 1 we have, so here is ax minus by equals to a minus b, right? Then we can write ax equals to a minus b plus by, minus by transfer to right side, plus by. So x equals to a minus b plus by divide a. Okay, and this is equation 3. This equation 3, it means putting x equals to a minus b plus by divide a in equation 2. Equation 2, here ax plus by equals to a plus b. So a and x equals to already get in equation 3. X means what? A minus b plus by divide a, right? Plus by equals to a plus b. Now we can divide a and a, so here is only a minus b plus by and plus by equals to a plus b. So here is 2by, right, equals to, here is a plus b, and this a minus b we transfer to right side, so minus a and plus b. So we get here plus a and minus a out, so here is 2by equals to 2b. Now we can divide both sides by 2b, so y equals to 1, right? So we can write divide or dividing both sides by 2b. So we get y equals to 1. Now equation 3 we can put, so we can write again putting y equals to 1 in equation 3. So 3x equals to a minus b plus by divide a. So again here is a minus b plus b times y means 1, right? 1 divide a. So here is a minus b plus b times 1 means b divide a. So minus b and plus b out, a divide a, it means a divide a become 1. So x equals to 1. Therefore, so x, y, answer will be 1 and 1, right? So no more today. So we are trying to solve number 8 and 9. Okay. So if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, which is MathZip, and also please share with your friends. Thank you.